Now I'm gonna call a student from English class. His name is Muhammad Dawood Mughal. The coming person is Dawood Mughal.
Praising Allah Almighty and sending salutations upon my beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Honorable scholars, respectable guests, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I'm going to talk about the humanity and who we are. As individuals and as a society, you might be wondering what exactly is humanity. Well, it's not just a word. It's a concept that includes the qualities that make us unique human. It's about compassion, kindness, and understanding. In our journey through life, we often get caught up in the hustle and bustle, focusing on our daily routines, schoolwork, our own goals and aspirations. But it's crucial to remember that we are not alone in this world. We are surrounded by people from all walks of life, each with their own stories, struggles and dreams. As Allah Almighty says, "O mankind, indeed, we have created you from male and female, and made you peoples and tribes that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you." My beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, says, "None of you has faith until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself." One of the most beautiful aspects of humanity is our capacity to help others. It's not always about grand gestures. Even small acts of kindness can make a significant difference in someone's life. Holding the door open for a stranger, sharing your lunch with a classmate, or offering a friendly smile to someone who looks down can brighten someone's day. Moreover, my respected Prophet, peace be upon him, says, "The believers, in their mutual love, mercy and compassion, are like a single body. If one part of it feels pain, the rest of the body will also suffer with sleeplessness and fever." We also live in a world that is becoming increasingly diverse. People come from different backgrounds, cultures and beliefs. Embracing this diversity and showing respect for one another differences is a vital part of being human. We can learn so much from each other, and by doing so, we make our communities and our world a better place. Finally, I want to say, let's make humanity more than just a word. Let's make it a way of life. By doing so, we can create a more compassionate and caring world for ourselves and for future generations. May Allah give us power to do so. Thank you.